Hi everyone, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. If you're new to the channel, welcome on in. You're going to find lots here about model making and modelling various aspects from scenery right through to models and model trains, model buses, model trucks, cars, etc. I don't get to do as much with planes, airplanes and boats as I would like, but hopefully we'll address that in the year ahead. I've noticed, by the way, that Christmas tends to fall around the same time every year, and at around about this time, channels like mine tend to issue a shameless and grovelling appeal for more viewers and subscribers, and so I thought I'd do one as well. Why not? But before we get into that, there's a few channels that I really do need to give a shout out to, and I have to say, these channels are all more successful than mine. They don't need my help, and nobody that I'm about to mention has paid me any money to say nice things about them. It's about time they did, to be honest, but there we are. And you'll find the links to their channels in the Show More tab right down below, just there, somewhere there. You'll find it, links to their channels. Okay, let's get right into it. I'd like to thank you, the viewer. Your watch of what I put out is really most welcome. I love the comments, love the interaction. Thank you. If you're a subscriber, thank you also. It's heartwarming to know that people are ready to watch what you have to say about a particular subject or a topic to do with our wonderful community. So let's start with the home team. These are channels based in the UK. Dragon Junction Mark II. Alan, it's been a while for me. As some of you know, my health hasn't been too great of late, but hopefully I'll be back in the scene in a bit more of a proactive way very shortly. Dragon Junction Mark II. Alan, go and visit his channel. The guy does some great stuff. Really entertaining videos. Alan, you're a gent. Thanks very much for your time, sir, and I'll be around very soon. I'd also like to thank Chris Hales, Heritage Model Railway. Chris Hales Heritage Railway it is. Chris, again, it's been a while. Sorry, bud. Things have been what they have been. If you can hear some barking, by the way, that's my dog. One of the dogs here crying to be let out. They can hold on a second. Chris, you do some great stuff. Really entertaining. Love your live chats. I know you've changed your format slightly, but I'll be back on the circuit very soon, sir. Who else? Anfield Road layout in the loft. I'm glancing because I'm looking at notes. What can I say? Anfield Road, they do some great stuff. They have a live chat certainly every Sunday. I think they do a midweek one as well. But every Sunday, 5 o'clock UK time. Come and join us, guys. Come and join the community. You're going to meet some great people, learn a lot about the hobby, and hopefully we'll encourage you to take up some aspect of this wonderful world of model making and modelling. Lee, I hope you're safe. I hope you're looking after yourself. Love to you and Jackie. I'll see you soon, mate. Take care. Lastly, a channel that you probably all know, but I have to thank Chadwick Model Railway and the legend that is Charlie Bishop. He's the reason I'm here. I spent most of 2020, I think it was, on furlough, got back into model railwaying, got back into YouTube, and Chadwick Model Railway was one of the first channels I came across and got addicted immediately. Wonderful presentation, great videos, a lot of knowledge and information on that channel. Charlie, love to you and your loved ones. I hope you're keeping well. Hopefully, if we're allowed to be, I will see you in Frome on the Sunday. Not too far away from me, as you know. So take care, my friend. Stay safe, mate. See you soon. Now a couple of channels across the pond. I'd like to thank Human City. Heath, again, it's been a while, as you know, but I will be back on the circuit. Heath has a fabulous layout that he's building and some wonderful models on that, model trains. Please go and pay him a visit, well worth the watch time. Also across the pond, lastly, but by absolutely no means least, I would like to thank Anthony Dodge, the model train outsider. Anthony, I love your live chats. They just bring us all together, don't they? I hope you're keeping safe. I'm glad to see that you recently passed the 1,000 subscriber mark. Long may that continue and increase. You certainly deserve it. Love to you and Joyce. Hope you're both keeping well and safe. I'll see you soon. So that about wraps it up for this one, and sadly we don't have time for a grovelling appeal for more viewers and subscribers, but hey ho, life is what it is. At the end of the day, we've lived through a difficult couple of years, and it looks like we're heading into another difficult year in the new year. That's it. Stay safe, guys. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. More importantly, a safe and prosperous new year. Take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye now from St Blazey Model World.